Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel where I review the latest and greatest documentaries from around the world. Today, I'm going to talk about a film that I just watched and was blown away by. It's called FREELANCE, and it's a new documentary that exposes the realities of the gig economy in 2023. Freelance is directed. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. By D. Janowski, a Swiss Kosovar filmmaker who is also a freelance journalist herself. She decided to make this film after witnessing the struggles and challenges of her fellow freelancers in different fields and countries. She wanted to show the world what it's like to work as a freelancer in the 21st century and how the gig economy is transforming the way we live and work. The film follows 4 freelancers from different backgrounds and professions: a graphic designer from India, a translator from Mexico, a photographer from Nigeria, and a film producer from the US. They share their stories, their dreams, their frustrations, and their hopes as they navigate the gig economy. They also reveal the dark side of freelancing: the lack of security, the exploitation, the competition, and the isolation. The film also features interviews with experts, activists, and policymakers who offer their insights and opinions on the gig economy. They discuss the benefits and drawbacks of freelancing, the legal and ethical issues involved, and the future of work in a digital age. They also address some of the burning questions that freelancers face: how to find clients, how to set rates, how to protect rights, how to balance work and life. Freelance is a captivating and eye-opening documentary that sheds light on a phenomenon that affects millions of people around the world. It's a film that will make you think, feel, and question your own relationship with work. It's a film that will inspire you to pursue your passion, but also warn you of the pitfalls and risks of freelancing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.